Hey guys, N00b's here, and oh hello, this website's acting cray. I don't want any of this. No. I hate modern web design. Stop that. That's invasive and inappropriate. Anyway, speaking of which, I've been doing a lot of tinkering with auto hotkey scripts lately for my control pad CP48 project and for some other things that I haven't yet released. And that's got me getting the itch to code again. So this is the first of hopefully many coding vlogs as I'm learning to program essentially for the first time. Not technically. I was a science and technology major in high school. Yes, my high school was a magnet school, and thus it had set tracks or majors, and mine focused on calculus and programming. And so I learned a decent amount of beginner Java. I looked at C++. I learned a little bit about Perl scripts and Python and started in web programming, HTML, CSS, all that stuff. But I never really got into it. And I made a couple games, a couple calculator apps, got into the principles of it, but never really dived in. And I didn't stick with it after high school. I decided being a code monkey my entire life was not something I entirely wanted to do, per se. I wanted to chase this, the YouTube dream. And so I never fully learned to code, and most of what I learned is gone. Like, I know the general principles, and so if I pick Java back up, I will have a general idea of what I need to be doing, per se. I also had a bunch of programming books that I got for Christmas one year when I was still in high school and getting into it, including a very nice $50 or probably so C++ game design book that my family got me for Christmas, and a friend borrowed it and lost it, and I no longer have it. And books used to be the way that I learned best for coding. Just something hard I could have in front of me and then type distraction-free without going through all these websites with their ads and watching videos and stuff like that. But it's 2016. Things don't update, or things update too quickly for books to really be relevant. And so I'm taking an inventory. I'm posting to social media, and I'm doing some research to figure out what I should probably be learning in 2016. And so I'm going to take some time, figure that out, and figure out like what resources I have available in order to learn it. I have, hopefully still through my university, a lynda.com account. There's plenty of free tutorials. There's probably other YouTubers whom I can shout out in this series by doing that, learning from them. And so I'm trying to figure out what I should get into. And judging by the looks of it, nothing's really changed from when I was in high school. There's Java and JavaScript, Python, PHP, C++, C, C#, SQL, Java, C, C++, C#, Python, PHP, Visual Basic, JavaScript, assembly language, Ruby, Perl. Surprisingly, it's almost all the same languages as was important when I was in high school. So that's maybe a good thing, because maybe I still need to start with Java. And here, this is ranked by programming jobs. SQL, I don't really want to get into databases. I just want to make apps, make cool little doodads for me to play with. So it looks like Java may be the way to go. And if you have any feedback on this, leave a comment down below. If that's the case, then hopefully I still have the same kind of resources I had in high school in order to learn it. Eclipse, Dr. Java, and Notepad++ should all be all I need in order to make Java programs. So let's look into that now. This can be, this is a come with or join me as I learn kind of video. Beginner Java compiler. That should bring me what I want, right? No, I did. It's called an IDE. Okay, duh. I knew that actually. Dr. Java was nice. I used it in my class in college. I used Dr. Java in high school. Maybe I'm still on track. Maybe things haven't changed so drastically as I thought they did. Eclipse and NetBeans. Very familiar. I used Eclipse quite a bit too. IntelliJ, JetBrains. It looks like I should be fine with Dr. Java and Eclipse. Oh look, I have a reply. That was a weird pop-up on Reddit. I can just install those. Maybe I will run that exclusively on my Linux box. Maybe not. Download Windows app. That's easy enough. From SourceForge. That's cool. Download Eclipse. Oh yeah. There's a million different versions of Eclipse. That's okay. We'll get the Windows 64-bit Java EE or Java IDE for Java EE developers. That should be fine. Wait, should it? There's a second one. Java EE. What is Java EE? Java. I'm sure there's someone here who's like, you're such a nerd, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Java EE's Enterprise Edition. So I just want the one for Java developers. Cool. So I'm going to get acquainted with getting these installed and with my progress here. And I will make a follow-up video, you know, with what I'm learning, where I'm learning it from, and then I'll start featuring things that I make along the way. Now, keep in mind, these videos will be probably sparse in between, as this is a very, 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 very low priority for me on my incredibly long list of priorities. And so this is not something that I'm going to be, you know, jumping on and producing every week or something, but I did want to share it with you regardless. Indiana University, that's closest to me. We'll go ahead and get Eclipse downloading here. So let me know if you want to see more of this in the comment section down below and what kind of stuff I should look at, how much of an idiot you think I am. I know that's coming. I know it's coming. And we'll see if we can get some cool ideas going here. Let's check out Dr. Java, see if it looks like it did when I used it last, because it's been quite some time. Allow. Yes, yes. Windows thinks I'm on a public network now. Windows 10 has totally fucked up my network. Pardon my French. And it's driving me nuts. So here we go. You want to associate .java, .drjava, and .djep files with Dr. Java? I'm actually going to say no. Because I have a feeling I should be running with Eclipse. So I'm going to say no for right now. Make this a little bigger. God, that's a lot of white space. And doing coding on 4K is probably not the best idea. So I'm maybe running this on a Linux laptop or something. That way I have a very dedicated source for it, and it's something on a smaller screen, because I can barely see the text here. So looks like we'll be running with Dr. Java and Mr. Eclipse over here. I'll just extract that out to the desktop on my solid state drive. That'll take a while, but thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button if you're interested in this series. Get subscribed, and like I said, leave me ideas, thoughts, opinions, suggestions in the comment section down below. My name's been Adam EposVox. This has been Scrub Coding Vlog number 1. I'll come up with the title later, and I'll see you later. I feel like I said the same thing twice. Bye.